Maybe it's time to take a leap of faith and sometimes my thesis and take my shot out in the rain. Strike a fucking match of love and desire, and when I end up in the flame, whatever happened to freedom and honesty? What matters to you, it's not that deep to me. Fuck that shit, flip the script, inside of me, fuck that shit, over it, after green, I'm in love, you're gay, searching up, searching they won't fight the urge, I'll go insane, I'll say but I won't if this shit's true. If this shit's true, whatever happened to freedom and honesty? What matters to you, it's not that deep to me. Whatever happened to freedom and honesty? What matters to you, it's not that deep to me. Now everyone sing this, fuck that shit. Flip the script, inside of me. Fuck that shit, over it, off the grid. Fuck that shit.